We're just going to do a before and after trigger weight on the Webley Eagle because the trigger is a bit stiff. Let's take the safety off. Let's switch this on. There we go. We're zeroed. Yep. So let's just see where we get to. So just enter that, and we'll do 3 shots and take an average. Here we go. Enter. Right. I think that's the average. Yeah, £3, 6.9 ounce. So let's just compare that with some other guns, shall we? So let's compare it. Right, so the Warhawk is 2.4. That's the worst one. The Trevox is £6. The Potensis is £1.2. So we need to do some adjusting and retest it. Right, so I've turned the adjuster screw 3 turns clockwise, which is as far as it will go. And let's see what difference it will make. Yep, we're on pounds and ounces. Here we go, can you see that? £2, 3 ounce. So I've lost about £1 off the pull weight of the trigger now, and that's as good as it's going to get by the look of it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.